feel them near. Feelings change and that's okay. We all feel a different way. When I'm angry, I take a break, breathing deep for calmness sake. When I'm scared, I close my eyes, think of sunshine, clear blue skies. Feelings change and that's okay. We all feel a different way. When I'm sleepy, I lay down, yawn and stretch, don't make a sound. When I'm shy, I take my time, but I'll shine and I'll be fine. When I'm excited, I jump high, spin around and reach the sky. When I'm worried, I talk it out, share my feelings, lose my doubt. Feelings change and that's okay. We all feel a different way. When I'm grateful, I say thank you, smiling bright the whole day through. When I love, I give a hug, hold on tight and feel so snug. Feelings change and that's okay. We all feel